If you have pets, if you have friends, if you have kids, if you have your messy self, invest in a wet vacuum. You can use their solution, or you can just use water and pre-treat your stain and get it all out of your carpets. Chip curling iron, as I would like to call it. If you don't want your chips to be stale, use this thing. All you do is heat it up, just like you would a flat iron, and you just squeeze it on your chip bag or whatever plasticky material that they put the chips into. Seal it all the way, and then it creates a strong, almost factory seal on your open chips. I'm pushing right on it, and the air doesn't even escape. So you can enjoy your crunchy chips so much longer. You could do the same thing with leftover little pancakes or anything that comes in this plasticky type of thing. You just seal it back up, and the pancakes will stay fresh. You can also make your own little custom snacks. This thing for shaving your clothes with a plugger so that you don't waste the batteries. But any kind of pulling you get on your shirts, your clothes, even socks, all of that can go away. I've used it on the couch as well to get the little pulls away from all the fabric. I tend to get these little balls around my sleeves the most from the fabric deteriorating after washing. But once you do a quick shave, the before and after is so huge. It looks like it's brand new. I love this thing so much. Mopping is something I really hate, but I also really love having clean floors. This mop is so awesome. It makes me want to mop all the time. The user experience of it is phenomenal. It has a wet side and a dry side, and all you do is dip, and you're able to squeegee out the water right there, no touching it. A little pricey, but makes me so happy. What was life-changing for you as you clean your home? Please share with me. I'd love to hear it.